Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is UDOT Construction Update. In Sandy, northbound I-15 will be reduced to one lane for 7 evenings. The lanes will be closed between 106 South and 90th South from 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. each night. Our crews will be filling potholes and placing a new weatherproof pavement layer on the bridge at 100 South. In Bluffdale, Porter Rockwell Blvd is closing this weekend from Saturday night through Monday morning. The road will be closed between Mountain View Corridor and Redwood Road, so drivers will need to use an alternate route. This closure is part of the project to widen the Porter Rockwell-Redwood Road intersection. And finally, we want to remind everyone about several other Redwood Road projects that are under construction from Saratoga Springs up to North Salt Lake. Most of these projects will continue into next year. In Saratoga Springs, we're repaving several sections of Redwood Road and building a new continuous flow intersection at Pioneer Crossing. In Riverton, we're widening the road from Bangerter Highway to 126 South. And in North Salt Lake, we're widening Redwood Road from 215 to Center Street. So watch out for lane closures and traffic shifts, and always remember to allow extra travel time through the work zones, especially during the morning and evening commute. And as a reminder, travel wise to avoid construction delays. Just do what makes the most sense for you. Reschedule your trip, work from home, or consider taking a different route. For more information on these and all other UDOT construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT traffic app.